In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Ads Manager showing 0 results, 5 minutes. If your Ads Manager looks empty, even though you know campaigns have been running, it's usually a reporting issue, not a performance problem. We'll walk through the two settings that most often cause 0 results, your date range and your attribution window. Start by opening your browser and searching for Facebook Ads Manager. Click the official result and then select Go to Ads Manager. If you're prompted to log in, sign into your account securely. Once you're in, head to the campaign's dashboard so you can see your reporting table. The first thing to check is your date filter. Up at the top, click the date selector. By default, Ads Manager often shows yesterday. If nothing's spent or delivered yesterday, that can make the entire table look blank. Switch the range to today to see real-time activity or pick the specific dates you want to review. You can also choose a broader window like last 7 days if you're trying to get a clearer picture beyond a single day. Make your selection and apply it. Give the page a second to update. This alone fixes the issue for most people. If you still don't see the data you expect, let's adjust the attribution window, which controls how conversions are counted after someone clicks an ad. Use the search bar in Ads Manager and type attribution setting. When it appears, open the Select Values dropdown. Choose 7-day click and apply. This is a standard, widely used window that surfaces conversions occurring within 7 days after a click. Changing this won't alter what actually happened, it just changes how results are attributed and displayed. After you apply it, the dashboard will reload and your reporting table should repopulate. A quick note on why this works. A narrow date range or a restrictive attribution window can hide valid results, especially if your conversions happen a day or two after the ad click. By aligning the date to when activity occurred and using a reasonable attribution window, you're telling Ads Manager to include those events in your totals. That's it. Go to Ads Manager, log in, open your campaign's dashboard, set the correct date range, search for attribution setting, select 7-day click, and apply. Your dashboard should reload and the 0 results issue should be resolved. If you found this helpful, follow the same steps anytime your table looks empty. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.